Because more than a week ago, Eritrean forces launched an offensive on central Tigray from a northern side of Tigray, from Aksum, Shireh, and Adwa side. Viewers. This offensive is underway. The offensive was being led by Eritrean forces, and TDF in several statements also confirmed that Eritrean forces were leading the offensive on central Tigray. But yesterday, a battle report was shared by Tigray Defense Forces through DWTV. Yesterday's report shows views that Ethiopian National Defense Forces have also joined Eritrean forces. And now the offensive on central Tigray is being carried out jointly by Eritrean and ENDF troops. Yesterday's report shows that there is heavy presence of ENDF troops as well in central Tigray, where fighting is underway between TDF on one side and Eritrean and ENDF troops on the other side. Yesterday, TDF in a statement said that in Warkamba is in central Tigray. In Warkamba, heavy fighting erupted between TDF and Ethiopian National Defense Forces, in which TDF inflicted heavy losses on ENDF. According to TDF, in this fighting, 31st Division of ENDF, 1st Brigade of ENDF, 2nd Brigade of ENDF, and 4th Brigade of ENDF fought Tigray Defense Forces. 31st Division and 3 brigades of ENDF were part of fighting which took place 2 days ago in central Tigray in Warkamba area. And according to TDF, they inflicted heavy losses. But the important thing for me, viewers, is that there is presence, heavy presence of ENDF as well in central Tigray. So the offensive is being launched not only by Eritrean forces, but ENDF are also supporting Eritrean forces in large numbers. This offensive, as I said in previous videos, viewers, is a crucial offensive. It is perhaps the decisive phase of Tigray war, which will decide the fate of TDF or ENDF as well. Viewers, TDF are claiming to have destroyed an MLRS of ENDF in the same fighting in Warkamba area. MLRS, Multiple Launch Rocket System, is an expensive piece of military equipment, part of heavy weapons. Views. TDF says that Type 63-107 MLRS of ENDF has been destroyed in the fighting in Warkamba. Viewers. Secondly, viewers, TDF are claiming to have killed a major by the name of Major Ndiga of Ethiopian National Defense Forces in fighting which occurred in Sulu. 4 areas have been mentioned in yesterday's report by TDF where fighting took place between TDF and Eritrean and ENDF forces. All the 4 places are either in central Tigray or close to central Tigray. Viewers. First place is Warkamba, where, as I said earlier, 1 division and 3 brigades of ENDF fought TDF. And the second place is Raya, viewers, Rahya. It's not Raya, which is in southern Tigray. It's Raya, which is close to Hausen, to the west of Hausen. It's near central Tigray, viewers. Then third place, viewers, is Sulu, Suluh, and fourth is Hausen. So all the 4 places where fighting took place over the past few days are either in central Tigray or close to central Tigray. As I have been saying for several days that central Tigray is the center of fighting these days. TDF have not carried out any attack over the past few days in any area in southern Tigray, in western, in northern Tigray. We haven't heard of any attack by TDF against ENDF or Eritrean forces in any part of Tigray over the past few days other than central Tigray. Fierce clashes are underway. TDF have given some numbers as well, because the number of ENDF soldiers killed and wounded. I won't go into these numbers detail, because numbers mostly are exaggerated. Numbers don't matter for me. What matters is the areas, because and once again a confirmation that fighting is underway in central Tigray. ENDF and Eritrean forces now have joined. They are trying to strike a decisive and heavy blow to Tigray Defense Forces in central Tigray. Both ENDF and Eritrean forces, they have entered central Tigray. Eritrean forces entered from B30 highway side. They entered from Adwa Shire Axom side, and ENDF seem to be advancing from A2 highway from Mekelle, from Hausen side towards central Tigray. People ask questions about the final outcome of this operation in central Tigray. Well, first of all, there is very little information coming out of central Tigray, because only TDF are issuing statements. We haven't heard a word from Eritrean forces or ENDF about what's happening in central Tigray. Then there are no other independent sources as well. So that is why it's difficult to give your opinion about the final outcome of this operation in central Tigray. But Eritrean and Ethiopian forces have joined now, viewers. So it's a joint offensive on central Tigray. And so far, over the past few weeks, we haven't seen a single attack by TDF in any part of Tigray except central Tigray. That is why I say that TDF are under pressure in central Tigray. TDF supporters don't like my opinion. They say that I am supporting ENDF. Being under pressure does not mean that TDF are down and out of this war. No, they are fighting. They are fighting for their survival. You could see them bounce back and come out of central Tigray, come out of Abayadi towards Mekelle, towards Amhara side, towards Humera, Volkayt. You could see that in the coming days, but right now, on ground situation is that Eritrean and ENDF have joined hands. They want to strike a decisive and heavy blow to Tigray Defense Forces in central Tigray. What would be the outcome of this war? No one can say for sure. It remains to be seen, viewers. Coming days are very crucial. Nothing for watching.